Welcome to my channel, Musina.
Before we start, please hit the like button, share to your social media, hit subscribe, ring the bell, click all to be notified of new videos. And leave a comment too. I would love to hear from you. At ito ang mga ingredients natin para sa ating mocha cake. 2/3 cup vegetable oil, 8 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon coffee paste, 1 1/2 cups cake flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 1/4 tablespoon baking powder, 8 egg whites, 1 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 cup water. So i-preheat ang oven ng 375 degrees Fahrenheit at ang unang gagawin natin is ang coffee butter. So haluin ang mga dry ingredients, cake flour, asin, at baking powder. Haluin at iset aside. Haluin ang egg yolk at ang vegetable oil sa mixer. Gamitin ang wire whisk attachment. So dapat ang gagawin natin if we are going to make our cake batter from low speed, medium high, then high speed. So ngayon, i-mix natin yung egg at saka yung water. Then i-mix natin yung coffee paste. Then mix natin yung cake flour until combined lahat. So let's make sure na mix na yung cake flour natin, na walang lumps, na hindi siya buo-buo para maganda yung pagtubo ng cake later. So ang second part na gagawin natin is ang meringue or ang meringue. Okay, so let's start putting the egg whites sa ating mixer. Then isusunod natin ang cream of tartar. By the way guys, we are using our KitchenAid mixer. So let's start with number 1, speed. Then gradually increase natin ng number 2. Then number 3. Increase ng speed ng 4. Then 5. 6. 7. Pag nakita mo na yung bula sa mixture, dahan-dahan natin ilagay yung sugar. Yan. Then increase the mixer speed to maximum for 5 minutes until makuha natin yung soft peak. Okay, gawin natin ang soft peak test. Pag malambot pa ang mixture, ihalo natin uli ng 2 to 3 minutes. So ito na stage na to, titingnan natin kung nasaan na tayo sa peak. So ito yung medium peak or yung firm peak. So kulang pa siya, so mix natin agad muli ng 5 minutes. So check natin uli. Then ito yung stiff peak. So pwede na siya ihalo sa ating coffee butter. So dahan-dahan natin ihalo yung coffee butter at saka yung meringue butter natin. Dahan-dahan natin i-mix sila hanggat mahalo sila lahat. So ilagay natin ang butter sa greased cake pans. Then i-bake natin sa 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. check natin yung cake. So gagamitin natin yung pagpindot ng cake sa pag-test. So kung mag-spring back siya, kung babalik yung cake, ready na siya. Yung isa naman, gagamitin natin yung cake tester. Pag wala ng cake batter na sumasama sa cake tester mo, ready na yung cake. Make sure na papalamigin mo yung cake sa cake rack. At make sure na malamig na yung cake before mo siya gagamitin or lalagyan ng icing or frosting. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share our video. Please follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Enjoy until the next video.